Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Good morning, baby girl. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, good morning. Happy 7 months, my love. Happy 7 months. Happy 7 months. Happy 7 months, sweetie. Happy 7 months, sweetie. Happy 7 months, baby. You guys, man, what a day it had started out to be. What a day it started out to be. So, after I gathered my thoughts a bit, I decided to start the vlog now. I have, okay, so let me tell you where it all started. I woke up this morning, 4 o'clock to be exact, to feed Zara. Normally, I check my phone every time that I wake up to feed her, and last night was no different. Checked it at 4. The first thing I saw was a message from my mom. Anytime I wake up in the late part of the night, early part of the morning, and see a message from my mama, my heart leaps every time. And this time was no different. And the message reads, my uncle died. Had to read it a second time to see which uncle it was. And I figured it out. I'm like, what? This can't be. It doesn't make any sense. Why I say it doesn't make any sense? Because one, to my knowledge, he wasn't sick. And he's so young. Well, it doesn't, death don't really care about age, but I mean, because he wasn't sick to my knowledge, that's what shocked me the most. And then just come to think of it that in September, just before I went to Jamaica, he messaged me as usual to check on me, because he messaged me all the time, around the clock, throughout the year, just to check on me randomly. He said to me that he will be going to Jamaica to get married if I can come to his wedding. He said, however, he said, I know that you just have babies, so I know you probably wouldn't make it. And in return, I said to him that I'm coming to Jamaica actually in October, but at that point I had already booked my ticket, and the time where I booked my ticket was just after his wedding would have passed. Would be just after his wedding would have passed. So I tell him that yes, I'm coming to Jamaica, but I'm coming to Jamaica after his wedding. He said, okay, I'll be in Jamaica after my wedding for about 2 months, so message me so I can come and see you. And listen, to tell you guys the truth, it hurt my guts this morning when my mom messaged me and I went back to those messages, because I was in Jamaica for 2 weeks, and as you guys know, I was there for a wedding. I was so busy and I had no time. I honestly did not get to reach out to him and to say, hey, come and see me XYZ time, because I know I wouldn't have the time to spend with him. That even sounds so hard to say. I wouldn't have the time. Let's just say everything just went so fast and I didn't get to message him to say, hey, I'm here, come and see me. And the time went by and I was just so busy, and I didn't get to message him to tell him to come and see me. So he didn't get to see me, I didn't get to see him, and now he passed. And that's what struck me the most, because I did not make the time for him to come and see me. Just saying that hurts. I did not make the time because I did not have the time. Because where he would leave from to come and see me would have been very far, and to come and see me for 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes would have been better than no minute at all. I know if I had messaged him to say come see me and he come, I would have made the time, or I would have, you know, even if it's in the night, to spend some time with him. But man, I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say, hey, I did reach out and didn't get to see him. I didn't message him to say, hey, I am here and you can come and see me, because when I reached Jamaica, it was just go, do. And then we passed, and he won't ever get to meet my kids. Funny enough is that it's like he helped grow me. You know, living in Jamaica, a village grow you all. He was my neighbor. Like, my house is here, his house is here. If he says something at his house, I can hear him from my house. If I say something from my house, he can hear me from his house. That's how close our houses were. I was the flower girl of his wedding, of his first marriage. That's how close we are. He never called me by my name, ever called me by my name. He called me Miss Lou. And the reason why he called me Miss Lou is because that's the name of my grandmother, which is his mom. He said I am everything of his mom. I'm his mom all over again. The sassiness, the feistiness, the look. He said, you are Miss Lou. And that's how he called me, Miss Lou. Never called me by my name. Can't believe my uncle is gone. So I get to understand that he had a sickness that he didn't know about. Went in the hospital, and that's it. That was it. I've been crying from 4 o'clock this morning because I feel regret. I feel hurt. He migrated from Jamaica after I left, after I moved from St. James to Kingston. He migrated to St. Martin. He migrated overseas, and he's been living overseas and working overseas for a while, and up until this point. And it's just so many mixed feelings going through me this morning, because like I said, I feel regret, I feel hurt, I feel it's like I don't know how to feel. I've been crying from last night. That was 4 o'clock this morning, and I finally fell asleep. I think the last time I look at the clock, it says 6:30. I said, okay, I'm gonna try and get some sleep. And I fell asleep. Then the phone woke up, alarm, and woke me up 7:30 this morning. It was the saddest news ever. Man, 2020 just need a do-over. You just need to start all over. But I'm gonna accept the year. I'm gonna accept the year as it is. I'm gonna accept the year the way it's going, and just learn lessons from it and grow from it, and correct all my wrongs from it, and just carry on with life. It's just scary. All of it is just scary. So that's why the vlog is starting like this. I woke up and I got Tyler ready for school. Tyler is off to school. The camera was on, but I couldn't talk. I couldn't gather my thoughts to talk to you the way I wanted to talk to you this morning. So I'll put that clip in of him getting ready for school this morning. So we just got back and I need to go for a run. I need to go for a run to gather my feelings. I need to snap out of the way I'm feeling, and only a run can help me do that right now. So as soon as Sarah go down for a nap, as soon as Princess go down for a nap, I'm gonna take that chance and get a run in. And to even think that he just got married just 2 months ago. He just got married in October. His wife must be feeling crazy. Just got married. He just got married. Man, I don't even want to think about that. I just curl up in the bed and hold babe a little bit tighter this morning. I just hold him a little bit tight. While I was there sobbing, he just hold me tighter. I mean, life just happens. Life just happens. When you have people here with us and around us, just love them. Just hold them close. Just, man, make time. That's all I'm saying. I didn't make time and now I'm regretting it. I'm really regretting it. I'm really regretting it. So hopefully you guys are doing better than I am doing. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. And man, make time. Make time. Even if it's 5 minutes, make time. At least you say you try, rather than feeling the regret I'm feeling right now, rather than not trying any at all. At least you won't feel the hurt that I'm feeling right now. You want to say good morning to the face? Look up there. Up. Say morning. Look up. Up there. Morning. And my baby girl turned 7 months today. So, yes, mama gonna take a 7 months picture later. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna carry on with my day and hopefully I can shake this feeling. And anyway, you guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. you guys, I really thought that working out would have gathered my thoughts and make me feel a little bit better, but it's not working. I broke down 2 times while running on the treadmill, and now I'm trying to continue working out, and it's just not happening. It's just not happening. So I'm gonna call it today. Really gonna call it today. You guys know that I take pictures of her every time she turns a month. So of course it's her 7 months today, and it'll be no different. It's picture day! It's picture day. You ready to take your pictures? Yes. Yes. You're all dressed and ready? Ready? Let's see how best Mama can capture some pictures. Or let's see how best you'll allow Mama to capture some pictures. You gonna take some pictures of Mama? Come here. Come here. She's just looking in the camera. Princess, stop looking in the camera and come here. Come here, Mama. Come here. Wonder if a bow can hold in your hair. You allow Mama to put a little bow in your hair? Yes. Let Mama try a bow in your hair and see if it will work. Where are we gonna put the bow? Hey, yet you have bow in your ear. You have bow in your ear, princess. Come here. Come here, Mama. Princess, you have bow in your ear. Look here. You see? Hey, Sarah. Sarah. Hey. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wait. Come here. The bow not set properly. Joue avec moi. Joue avec moi. Now I can put on back here pajamas so we can go get brother in a bit. Ready to go get brother soon? Yeah. Be careful, you're gonna hit yourself. Yeah, you hit yourself. You hit yourself. It hurts, I know. I know.
Joue avec moi.
Joue avec moi.
D'empiler les anneaux. Joue avec moi. Empile les anneaux.
Joue avec moi. You're so pretty. You just want to see in the camera? That's all you want to do? Okay, I see you.
Joue avec moi.
Leave the camera. Sarah. Sarah, leave the camera. Jesus Christ.
Empile
Oh
les
my God. Sarah! Hi! Sarah! You don't know this, you know. Sit. Okay, I think I got it up. Mama, big girl turned 7 months today. You turned 7 months today. You know that? Hmm? You turned 7 months today. Yes. You turned 7 months today. Alright, you guys, I think mission accomplished. You guys, so all I did today was cry all day until my eyes were swollen. And cry again and cry again and cry some more. And talk to my family. And by the way, this is my uncle by my dad's side. I talked to my dad. He's okay. He's doing well. And I talked to a few of my aunties and uncles. And they're all holding up. And I also talked to my grandma, which is his mom. My uncle's mom. What my grandma is doing. And my grandma is very sick. So she don't really know what's going on. So yeah, that's all I did today. I didn't even get any work done. Nothing at all I got done today. That's okay. It's just one of those days, honey. But I got my baby girl's pictures taken. And my girl is all of 7 months today. Look at her. Miss Diva love the camera. Miss Diva love the camera. Y'all, look what I turn around to. Oh my God. Sarah. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look what I turn around to. Sarah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Sarah, who tell you you can do that already? Girl, what are you doing? Sarah,
Sarah.
what are you doing? Who tell you you can be standing in your bed? Oh my God. You're gonna give me a heart attack? Simple mean you cannot go in this bed anymore. You cannot go in that bed anymore. Yes, it's not funny. You think it's funny? Huh? Oh my God, you're gonna give me a heart attack. Sarah, you are funny. Girl, girl, you try get out. Get out right now. Because I turn my back and then you flip on your head. You try get out. When you walk out. Yes, stay there. Yes, she can go with you. Eat. She can decide when she's ready. Just soon come beside the Tyler, eat. Sorry, you're too funny. Tyler, eat, please. Baby boy is home. You guys, I even made dinner. I didn't show you guys what I made. That's to show you guys how much I was out of it. But anyway, this is dinner. Veggies and chicken. Veggies and chicken, veggies and chicken, veggies and chicken, veggies and chicken. That's all I eat. Veggies and chicken.